In this guide, I will show you how to check a bag with Southwest Airlines. I'm gonna give you checked baggage basics with Southwest Airlines. Here's a concise overview. You get 2 free checked bags per customer. Golf bags and skis count as a part of your free checked bag allowance if they are within the weight limit. Check your bags digitally before your flight to save time. Some airports offer self-tagging kiosks for convenience. Southwest agents are available to help at the airport. And review any optional travel charges for additional services. And then you can track your bags digitally for peace of mind. Ensure your bags meet size and weight restrictions to avoid extra fees. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.